And that's what I was using for summer, like an ocean kind of theme. And then, what the hell? You idiot, you are. You're stupid. You're stupid. You're the dumbest, stupidest man I've ever seen in my whole life. Okay, I was in a lane to turn left, and this guy literally turned in front of me and stopped. Oh my God. That's my, contemptuous.
Because, I mean, she is number 2. It makes sense.
She is a number 2.
Yeah.
Okay, Garmin.
Oh, what? No, I
Save
didn't know.
video.
Guys,
So I'm out that time where people are going to work and they're complete. They're the ones. Complete dickheads.
I was driving the bike lane. Coke! I need my Coke! Sorry.
Look at this. Isn't this great?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, you can't back up. Oh, look at you.
Idiot.
Oh, look at you. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
We saw the article.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Wow. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Yeah, you're special. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Oh my gosh.
Clear to you. If you go that way, you're going to meet new friends and you're not going to want to meet them. Really, I'll avoid the airspace.
And they ran a red. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
They're just out.
Oh my God. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Anything else you can leave a message?
Talk about not being able to let go.
I know, right? I get it, I understand, but still.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Cruise featuring the motion epic Eric C. Powell and his beautiful wife, Andrea, Trayful, Era, and Lau.
You're my beautiful wife.
Deotronic,
Dude,
Elza,
what the
Splash 96.
Okay, Garmin.
J Wires.
Save video.
Positronic.
Care about that anymore.
Yeah, they don't. But it's freaky
That's
because
like companies are just
yeah, he wasn't paying attention that they were stopped. And I don't think he hit them. I don't think he did. He went up on the curb instead. But yeah, I was watching. And I said, "Yeah, I don't know if you can make that." It scared the out of the car in front of him, I'll tell you that much.
that kind of
Maybe they did. I don't see anything, lady. She's like, "Are you okay?" That's nice. She wanted to make sure he's okay. I think she's a nurse, so that's good.
Cool. Looks like she's got a great cat. Do you think there will be a second debate?
I kind of hope there is. I wish there would be a second and a third and a fourth and a fifth. I think the American people should get the chance to have these questions as often as they should.
The dog was like it was trained to do that. So
oh my God. Frickin' idiot. Oh, okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay. That was weird. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
there's so much in the universe that we cannot even possibly comprehend.
Well, I'll say this, with as
Really?
insane as this political
Why are
cycle,
people such
everyone making the joke that
watch out. I gotta watch these people that don't know how to drive.
Hi.
Neat. Great. Awesome. Cool. Holy sh**. Okay, Garmin. Save video.